Editorial models, or what some people call high fashion models, are fashion models that model for top fashion labels like Gucci, Versace, Chanel, and so on. Now, if you're watching this video, I assume that you want clarity based on editorial modeling in its entirety and how to become one, which is what you'll get. Now let's start from the beginning. What is editorial modeling? As I said earlier, editorial models work for luxury fashion labels, and you often see them in magazines like Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, LA, and so on, and they make a lot of money. They also do catalog modeling, parts modeling, and runway modeling. Editorial quote-unquote high fashion models are often confused with commercial models, and they are two different things. Now, how do you differentiate them? Well, when you see the word editorial or high fashion, think of a fashion magazine, and that is how they differ. Now that you took care of your looks, I want you to think whether your looks do match with becoming an editorial model. What do I mean by that? The high fashion industry has very strict requirements. For example, if you don't meet a certain height or physical requirement, there are low chances of you being accepted. But on the flip side, maybe you can venture into other types of modeling in case you don't get accepted. For example, if you have attractive hands and feet, you can be a parts model. And if you have a beautiful face, you can become a beauty model and promote beauty products. Then if you are more curvaceous or petite, you can become a plus-size model or a bikini model. But there are exceptions though, in the sense that we're seeing more body inclusivity in high fashion. But the point is, you have to consider your looks, thinking of alternatives as well in case one doesn't work. The third point is that you have to educate yourself about the industry. You can research on how fashion models are discovered. Also research on agencies that are responsible for placing those models on fashion magazines. Practice your posing, posture, and catwalk too, without leaving out learning how to find an agent and promoting yourself on Instagram too. That will help you navigate your way more efficiently. Now it's time to compile pictures for a portfolio. And for that, you need a photographer who knows his or her job very well. Now a portfolio consists of a clean professional headshot, body shot, and a profile shot with a clear background. Also, do not apply makeup. Agencies are more interested in your raw look and your ability to take on different looks. And that is the role of a physical portfolio and a portfolio website as well. Because as much as you need a physical portfolio to take to castings, your portfolio also needs to be online so it can be accessed by anyone around the world with just one click. Now the most demanding aspect is that you have to be mentally prepared for rejection and work 10 times as hard. Editorial modeling is just not about traveling internationally for modeling campaigns for Armani, Prada, and so forth. There are tons of stages that you have to go through. From working with no pay, to getting rejected, to traveling long hours, to being exposed to challenging environments. It is very hard. You must have the motivation to push forward and persevere. Don't give up because there's so much competition. You're not the only one. Have patience. And if you want more educational videos on editorial modeling and creating a powerful portfolio website, please like the video. My name is Chuck. It has been a pleasure serving you. Take care.